Alright, we're going to do a very simple fix here. This is Polio Jr. This is if you cannot get the volume to work, even if you've had the FireStick for some time. The first thing you want to do is go to Settings. The second thing you want to do is go to, where the heck is it? Equipment Control. Right after that, we want to go to, let's see, I think it's Manage Equipment. Yep. You click TV, right? And then after that, you would click Change TV. Now, after you click Change TV, it'll ask you to hit the power button on the remote. Now, once it'll say like, okay, is this a Samsung? Is this a Vizio? Is this a Sony? Whatever it is. And then like you hit yes, you hit the power button, you turn off the TV, you turn the TV back on, and it may ask you, hey, did this work? You hit yes, and now we have volume, which I did not have before. So this is a very short video, but very simple. So I hope this helped you guys out. I know it's short, but it is actually very simple. I don't know why they do these weird things with the fire sticks, but it just stuff happens. But that's how you fix it. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.